Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Shortcut Mastery. So in today's video, we will fix this issue of random buzzing sound from audio in Windows 10 and 11. So let's start this video. So firstly, you have to just type this command mmsys.cpl. So you have to just click on at here to go to the control panel item. So in control panel, you have to just select that speaker that you want to fix the issue. So in my case, the only speaker has been selected, so I have to just select this and go to the properties. In properties, I have to just go to the enhancement, and in enhancement I have to disable all the sound effects of enhancement. So I have to just select this option and click on apply and then OK. So by doing this, your issue will be fixed. If it doesn't fix your issue, so you have to just go to the second step, which is basically device manager. So you have to just type device manager and then go to the control panel and device manager of your system. So you have to just drag this option sound, video and game controller, and then you have to find out Intel R display audio. Here as you can see, Intel R display audio, so I have to just select it and then right click on it and click on update driver. And in driver I have to select this option, browse my computer for drivers, and then you have to just go to the this option, let me pick from a list of available driver. And after this you have to just select on this one rather than the first one. You have to select the second one option, and then you have to just click on next and then update this driver. If it doesn't fix your problem, then you have to just select the first one and again click on next to update the driver, so it will fix your problem. So if it doesn't fix your problem, so you have to just go to this third step, which is basically again the device manager. And in device manager you have to just scroll down this option of sound, video and game controller, and this time you have to select the speaker of your connected device. So in my case, this Connexent ISST audio has been selected, so I have to just click on it and click on update driver. And but in this case you have to just select this option, search automatically for driver. So by doing this, your issue will be fixed. So if you like my video, so kindly subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.